In this video, let me show you a couple of things that you can fake to make your images look more cinematic.
Okay.
This video is part of a series about my simple rules on how to create cinematic images. These rules are like rules of thumb, so they can and should be broken. But these are easy to remember and easy to do, even with minimal or no gear. So let's start. So let me show you these elements that I've faked to make this video look a bit more like real film. The first thing that I have done is added this adjustment layer with a couple of effects on a screen blending mode. And this adjustment layer simply gives this kind of a glow to the highlight areas. So giving these keyboards this a bit of a glow. And to achieve this, let me show you. I've used the Lumetri color effect, and here on the Lumetri color effect on the HSL secondaries, I have made this kind of a mask, having this checked off, this checked on, and I'm targeting only the highlight areas, and I have this color to black box on, and then I have a quite nice blur. And if I put this to normal blending mode and the opacity to 100 and the Gaussian blur off, you can see that this is how it looks with just this Lumetri panel effect on. And then kind of having this image, so we're kind of cutting out only the highlight areas, I add a very big blur, in this case 300 pixels, and then I put the blending mode to screen, and then you can see the glow, but I don't want it to be that strong, so I give it put it to 20. And now we have this glow on the highlight areas. And then a next trick that I have, like next fake thing that I have added, is this grain layer. So this is, if I put this into a normal blending mode, you can see that there's this gray layer of grain. And when I have it on overlay blending mode, it blends in with the footage, giving this footage this very nice filmic, let me just zoom all the way into 400, this very nice filmic film grain texture. So if I turn it off, you can see that the image is much more smoother, and with this you have this nice grain effect. And that makes the image look a bit more filmic. And well, the problem here is that if I now upload this to YouTube compression will probably just take the grain effect away. But this is nice if you're showing the video on some like higher quality service, or maybe on a big screen. And then these bars on top and bottom, I have this adjustment layer, and on the adjustment layer I have this crop effect. And this I have cropped the top and the bottom 12.5%, giving me this cinematic 2.4:1 aspect ratio. And you can see here that if I turn it off, you can see this footage is like, you can see the whole footage, but with this you can see these crop marks here on top and bottom. And yeah, those are like simple things. Glow, grain, and like letterboxes, those top and bottom crop, are simple things that you can fake to make your images look a bit more cinematic. In these clips I used a color correction kit for the GH5. This is a set of tools for Lumix cameras for color correcting the footage. If you want to learn more about this color correction kit, or you want to learn more about color correcting in general, there's a free course right there, you can go and check it out. I have gotten a lot of positive feedback from that course, so I guess it's good, so then go and check it out. By the way, you can download the grain effect from the free mini course that I just mentioned, and here on the learn color grading, you can go here, and then all the way on the bottom you can find the free 5K grain footage. And this video actually talks more about the grain effect and other effects as well. So sign into the free course to get this. And as I said, this video is a part of a series of videos, so now I would recommend for you to check out other videos in this series. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.